Awesome! Awesome. Awesome.
Is there like someone injured or something?
I don't think. No, I don't know. Maybe in the other one.
Maybe.
Look how it turns there.
No, I mean it has wings.
Yeah.
So fins. Sorry, those are fins. Like turning backside of the cider.
Yeah.
Yeah. And ask them to break it so it will suck us in. Should we hijack it? Ray Marines. DG Wilson.
Look the driving wheel. It's like a bike.
Sjöräddning.
Yeah, I think that if the ice is not broken in behind below the hovercrafts, we can be safe here, you know.
But I mean, it shouldn't be that heavy. And we've got 80 kilos on 2 blades. That has 500 on, like flat.
No, 500? No, come on, that will be above 1,000 kilos.
This above 1,000 kilos?
Yeah.
It's got nothing in it, man. It's like 600-700 max.
No.
Come on, a car weighs 1,000 kilos. Not this shit.
Look, now it inflates the globes.
Beautiful.
Awesome! Oh shit, the sun!
It's crazy, come on!
Wow, so fucking awesome! Yeah! Mohsen, we can go there.
Whoa. Nice.
What? It's breaking. Oh shit! I'm making shit on my pants. What? No. Okay.
Okay, hola España.
I make it sit on my pants. Wow. We are almost in Björna. I'm making shit on my pants. This ice is gonna broken. It's gonna break. Break. Come on, Mohsen, make something funny, like falling down or.
First have to learn to fall down. I promise you, this would happen.
We're there.
Träningskort Curve, en månad, röd 220, Eva Åkerlind.
We arrived.
Och slutligen årsprenumeration God News Magazine till svartåkare nummer 90.